Alright, welcome to this episode of 60 Days to JAMB, and in this episode I'll solve questions on ratio and proportion. The first question says that a construction company is owned by two partners, X and Y, and it is agreed that their profit will be shared in the ratio 4:5. At the end of the year, Y received 5,000 naira more than X. What is the total profit of the company for the year? So I will show you how to solve questions like this. So watch this video to the end and see how it is answered. Now, the company is owned by two partners, X and Y, and they want to share the profit in this ratio. We don't know the profit that is shared, that is the amount of profit they shared. The question today states that. So we can just say, let the profit shared be equal to P naira. You will agree with me that this first part is for X and this second part is for the partner Y. Alright, so let's share this profit in this ratio and see what the individual partners will get. Alright, the total part here, is 4 plus 5. That is what? 9. Good. So what will X get? X will get, the part for X is 4. That is 4 over the total part, which is 9, times the amount of profits that they shared, P naira. So 4 times P is 4P over what? 9. This is what partner X will get. Now what about partner Y? Partner Y will get, the part for Y is what? 5 over the total part 9 times the total profit P naira. So 5 times P is 5P over what? 9. Y received 5,000 naira more than X. Alright, this is what Y received. So this amount is equal to the amount X received plus additional 5,000 naira. So 5P over 9, which Y received, is equal to the amount X received, that's 4P over 9, plus 5,000 naira additional. We'll solve this equation now for P. If I collect like terms, 5P over 9 minus 4P over 9 is equal to 5,000. Alright, the LCM of this is 9. 5P minus 4P is equal to 5,000. So 5P minus 4P is P. 5,000. So to get P now, this is over 1. P times 1 is P. 9 times 5,000 is 45,000. So P, which is the total profit that they shared, is what? 45,000 naira. And that we can see under option E. So this is how to answer questions like this. I'll move to the next question. Now to the second question on ratio and proportion. Two brothers invested a total of 5,000 naira on a farm project. The farm yield was sold for 15,000 naira at the end of the season. If the profit was shared in the ratio 2:3, what is the difference in the amount of profit received by the brothers? Alright, so let's see how this is going to be calculated. Now, in this case, they invested this amount, 5,000 naira, and the yield was sold for what? 15,000 naira. That is to say, they made a profit. And the profit is how much? 10,000 naira. That is 15,000 naira minus 5,000 naira will give us 10,000 naira. So the profit made is what? 10,000 naira. Alright. They shared this very profit in the ratio 2:3. What is the difference in the amount of profit received by the brothers? Before we can get the difference in the amount received, we need to get what each of the brothers received before we can now calculate the difference in the amount they received. So, let's say the first brother got what? What did he get? This first part, let's say it's for the first brother. So the first brother will get, or he got 2 over the total part. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Remember what we did in question 1? Times the total profit that they made, 10,000 naira. 2 times 10,000 naira is what? 20,000 naira over what? 5. And 20,000 divided by 5 is 4,000. That is 4,000. So the first brother got what? 4,000 naira. Now what about the second brother? The second brother got 3 over the total part, 5, times the same 10,000 naira profit, 10,000. So 3 times 10,000 is 30,000 upon what? 5. And 30,000 divided by 5 is 6,000. So the second brother got 6,000 naira. So you can now see that the difference in the amount made by the two of them is 2,000 naira. That is 6,000 naira minus 4,000 naira. So that is the difference in the amount. It is what? 2,000 naira. Thank you very much for watching this video on ratio and proportion. I hope you like it. I hope you are enjoying the series on 60 days to JAMB. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. I'll see you in the next episode.